In the quiet village of Willowcrest, a boy named Soren lived with his family. He had a kind heart, helped everyone, and respected all. But Soren had one big problem. He had no discipline. He slept late, skipped studies, played too much, and avoided work. His parents warned him, "Soren, without discipline, you will never succeed." The villagers said the same. Soren laughed. "Life is fun only if I do what I want," he thought. In the village lived a wise old woman, Grandma, known for her simplicity and discipline. One day, Soren sat under a tree to rest after playing. He saw Grandma teaching children. She said, "Discipline is the greatest strength. It makes a person great." Soren wondered, is discipline really greater than strength, money, or intelligence? After class, he asked Grandma, "Is discipline really so important? Can someone succeed without it?" Grandma smiled. "You will know tomorrow, but come to me before sunrise." Soren agreed. The rooster crowed. Soren wanted to stay in bed. He remembered Grandma's words and fought his laziness. Finally, he got up and went to her. Grandma said, "You have won your first victory over laziness. This is the hardest battle." She took him to the fields. Farmers worked hard under the rising sun. Some plowed, some sowed seeds, some guided oxen. Grandma said, "See, Soren, these farmers wake up early every day. If they skip work, their crops suffer. Discipline is their secret to success." Soren saw the farmers sweating but peaceful. Grandma explained, "Discipline means doing your work on time, with honesty. A disciplined person never fails." From that day, Soren changed his habits. He woke up before sunrise. He set study time and balanced play. He fixed eating and sleeping times. At first it was hard. Friends laughed at him, and sometimes he wanted to quit. But he remembered Grandma's words. Discipline means winning over difficulties. If you defeat yourself, no one else can defeat you. Over time, Soren learned self-control. He realized discipline is not one-day effort, but a habit. Grandma often said, "A river can make a hole in a stone by touching it every day." Discipline works the same way. Small efforts lead to great results. Soren became the most disciplined and respected young man in Willowcrest. He completed his studies and began teaching the village children. People admired him, saying, "Soren's true strength is not his intelligence, but his discipline." Whenever someone sought advice, they went to him. His life inspired the entire village. Grandma said to him one day, "I am proud, Soren. You have won the greatest fight against laziness and lack of discipline. Remember, discipline can make ordinary people extraordinary." Soren bowed and said, "Grandma, it is all thanks to your guidance. Without you, I could not have changed." Grandma smiled. "No, Soren, discipline cannot be given. It grows inside you. I only showed the path. You walked it yourself." Discipline is the key to success. Small daily actions can change your life. Conquer laziness, control yourself, and you can achieve anything.